Hi, hello, what's up? Today we're going to talk about grouping in Canon's Allegro. So right here, I'll just go to the point. This is the group that I'm talking about. So I'm just going to show how to group the symbols. These are separate symbols. So how to group them in Canon's Allegro. So I'm going to show with a proper real life example. The example that I'm going to show is Raspberry Pi. So here we have the Raspberry Pi have four mounting holes. Okay, so regarding the Raspberry Pi, um, this is Pi, the latest version. Uh, I don't know whether it's latest or not, but it's 2023 version for sure. Oh, it already have the footprint though. No. Okay, nonetheless, yeah. So this is Pi Model Pi 3 Model B Plus. So what I did was we have four mounting holes and a connector right here. So we want them to group and make sure everything aligns properly. So yeah, these are the four mounting holes that we have. And sorry for the noise. And this is the connector, and pin number one will be right here on the top side. And it's 20 by 2 headers with 2.54 pits. So the 5 volt will be pin number one, two, three, four. It goes on that way. And here is the connector. So we have to make sure the pin one is on the top side, right? So quickly let me unplace these symbols, unplace components, all right? And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to placement edit. So it goes M1 um, is at the bottom. Three, four, five. Yeah, let's check once again. One, three, four, five. Okay, cool. So the main dimension that we are looking at is um, 49 between this vertically spacing between two mounting holes is 49 vertically and 50 horizontally and 29 between the holes and the mid of the connector. Yeah. So 58, 49, and 29. So first thing I'm going to place this at x0, y0, and second I'm going to place at x what is it, 58, y0. All right, and this going to go x 49. Sorry, 58, y49, and this will go at x0, y49. Oh, and this is it. Okay, first, let's make sure the pin number one is right here. This is not the connector. Right here it is. Pin number one is right here. We want to rotate it. Rotate. Cool. So pin number one is left side, the top. And I want to place this at x equals 29. Was it 29? Um, yep, it is 29. And xy equals 49. Is it 49? 49 and 29. Oh, so, ah, yep. So this is the pi footprint. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to um, select them, find all of symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Add groups. Raspberry override. Okay. Yep. So you can name any. You can have any name. It doesn't matter. I'm just overriding with the one that I had earlier. Yeah. And then move this to here, and let's check the 3D quickly. Yep, that's it. Okay, we highlight, check with the whole board. Yep. So here the pi will be coming in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the header. So it's currently mounted on the top side. I'm going to desolder them and mount it at the bottom. So this will be going bottom and header will go right in there. And what else? Yeah, that's all for grouping. Um, and yeah, while I'm gonna show one quick uh, important thing. Like for example, if I select them and right click here, you can align the components as well. And center, right click or delete, and you can use some equal spacing. Yeah. So this is another, or even you can align left or right. So there's one features that you can use here as well for aligning these three symbols on the top. This, and this. I'm not sure about the spacing. Yeah, so still you can use them to align. But if I want to align the mid of this mounting holes to the mid of this connector, I can do that using the aligning features as well. Alright, that's all for today. Ciao guys.